And now I'm very close to Munnar, and look at this beautiful waterfall. You can say that this is really God's own country. So see, this is a rubber tree. Then you can see this rubber is
It's
right,
rubber?
yeah, it's rubber, natural rubber that's coming out from the tree.
It's the
Yeah.
latex which is coming out.
Yeah, that's really, yeah,
In 24 hours it will become elastic.
yeah.
And 1 year later, tire.
So this is natural rubber. Yeah, you can see. I mean, it's coming like this. So this is the flavor of Kerala. Herbs, trees, medicines, Ayurveda. So it is all about. I mean, if I talk about Kerala, then Kerala is made of all this. Dalchini, right? This is right in front of me. Okay. So bark of this tree is actually dalchini that we use, right, in our kitchens. Okay, okay, that's really amazing. So this is the spice garden, and I was just looking at so many things, and so Kerala is made of beautiful landscape and spices, Ayurveda medicines and all that. So you are on YouTube, right?
Yes.
So yeah.
My name is Johnson.
Hi Johnson.
How are you?
Johnson is just taking me through all this and explaining what all herbs are and where these are.
Yes,
these herbs
medicines
are being
also,
used.
herbs are good spices.
Johnson is doctor also, Ayurveda doctor. Right. So I had an opportunity to see all this
And a good
garden.
waterfalls also here.
Yeah. So yeah, he's showing me one waterfall. Right. So this is the waterfall that he was showing me, and it's beautiful. Yeah. So this is waterfall we were talking about, and
this one is
right. And let me see what I see with Johnson. Yeah.
this one is poinsettia.
Yeah.
The plant's name is Christmas flower.
Okay.
So 6 months the color is green,
Okay.
and 6 months the color is reddish color.
Okay. So next 6 months it will be green.
No, yeah, next 6 months. I mean the March it will finish.
Okay.
Then you can get the new color of green color.
Green color. Okay.
But this is not flower, but this is
This is a leaf. Yeah. This is a leaf. That's what I see.
In Christmas time, the Christian people is using for decoration in churches. So there is Christmas plant also.
Okay.
The name is, George Poinsettia from USA, he discovered this flower, this plant. That
Okay.
is poinsettia.
And what is use of this plant?
This is for only decoration. In Christmas time, people are using for decoration in churches also.
Decoration.
Yes, Christmas time.
Oh.
So and also this is half day, half month, half year. This is green, and half year this is red color.
Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. So this is the herb that keeps water preserved for a long time. I was recording, but somehow I missed to press the button.
For face after the face.
Yes, aloe vera, that I know. And this is jackfruit. Oh,
Jackfruit is the better fruit in the world.
yeah.
He said there is lot of shades.
Yeah, so many jackfruits are there. So many. The big one, the bigger one, and the biggest one I can see there. Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
In Ayurvedam there is very good medicine for it.
Okay. So it is not insulin, but it creates, it helps in create.
Name is insulin.
Okay.
So in Ayurvedam and Hindi name is Madhunashini.
Madhunasini. Okay. That kills diabetes.
Diabetes means that you improve
Yeah.
your stamina and also for pancreas, health of pancreas.
Okay. This is kind of cave where.
Yes.
Okay.
In the forest area that the people, wild people.
So people used to live in such caves, right? Okay, that's nice. That's nice. And Justin, what are these huts for?
Yes.
These huts, the one.
That's what we are preparing. We are making.
Okay.
That is what we are preparing.
So this is one of the flavors of Kerala. This is Munnar, And so Munnar is famous for so many things. Ayurveda is one of the things. Okay, so I'm just going ahead with Jensen. Where is he? Oh, you're here. I was just trying to find
This one
you.
is a vanilla.
Oh,
vanilla
very well
ice cream.
structured.
Vanilla ice creams and vanilla essence.
Okay,
So that is so one pot is coming like this.
okay,
And preparing then processing. In that time you can get the very good essence. That is vanilla essence.
okay. So this is just again for essence. The ice cream that we eat.
Plants
So that flavor comes
in this plant.
through this plant. I mean, that this plant or something of this plant is used in making those vanilla ice creams or cake.
And
Huh?
this one is ilachi
Okay.
plant.
This is elaichi. Oh,
Ilachi or cardamom plant.
okay,
The
cardamom.
cardamom is coming only in the roots.
Okay,
So like this.
where is this?
Here. Maybe now the season started.
Okay.
Small.
But I don't see that. Where is cardamom? That comes only in roots.
Yeah, roots, upper beds.
Okay. So okay, I got it. So that is inside this, huh?
Yes.
And if I have to take this cardamom out, then I'll have to like remove this tree and then
Seeds like that.
okay,
So it is coming only in the roots.
okay.
You can get up to the complete roots. Totally.
Oh, okay. So I'll have to cut that root once.
No.
Okay.
You can remove that and plug and keep.
Okay.
In the sunlight.
Okay. I can just cut and then I can get it. Okay. And that cut will be held up.
No, that means firstly the roots.
Okay.
So there's like a long, small pieces, like a small round like that.
Okay.
And then that is
Okay.
And that one is asafoetida.
What is this?
Asafoetida.
Oh, okay. Hing. Okay. This is something we everyday use in our kitchen.
Yes.
So this is hing. Okay.
Asafoetida.
Foetida. Okay. Asafoetida. That is a scientific name. Huh?
The botanical name.
Botanical name. Yeah.
And
Right.
this one is a rudraksh.
Rudraksh.
So
Oh.
in Hindu peoples they are using for mala and everything
Yeah.
and worshipping.
But not a single rudraksh I can see in this on this
no,
tree.
because this is
It's not
seasonable
coming.
now.
So there are so many type of rudraksh, like ek mukhi, do mukhi, something.
Teen mukhi.
Okay, right.
And that one is like that.
Okay.
See, this is a duck. You know duck?
Yeah, duck.
Like a duck
Yeah.
flower.
Duck flower.
Yes, like a
Oh.
duck. You know?
Yeah,
duck.
yeah.
See?
Very much like duck. Yeah, it looks like duck. If I hold it like this, yeah. So it looks like duck. Oh, beautiful.
That's way.
Oh, beautiful.
And this is
Yeah.
also arcaria.
Arcaria.
Arcaria means Christmas tree.
Okay, again this is Christmas
Yeah,
tree.
Christmas tree means in Hindu people,
Christianity.
Christian, and also Diwali, Christmas, and Holi. Some big resorts on the hotels they are decorating this one.
Okay.
Very good for decoration.
Okay.
Step by step, you can make the mingling light.
Yeah. That step by step that tree grows. And what is this?
This is for Saraswati Karka, one medicine.
Okay.
So this medicine for thyroid problems.
Okay, this is for thyroid. Okay.
And that one is a pomegranate.
Okay.
Pomegranate or anar.
Yeah.
That plant.
Sorry. This is pomegranate or anar. Oh.
And this color, this plant's name is hydrangea.
Hydrangea.
The first day the color is blue, and the second day the white color, third day the rose color.
Okay. So this is the first day color?
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
This is the second day color. This
Yeah.
is transforming now
Yeah.
from this
Blue to
blue
white.
to white, and after that
Rose.
this is the rose color. So this is the final stage.
Yes.
And what will happen after this?
After it will stay like that.
Oh, that will stay like
Some-
that.
some-
Okay.
some.
So that is the final stage.
Yes.
Oh, beautiful.
And this is China rose or hibiscus.
Hibiscus China rose. We call
Yeah.
it Oruhul.
Yeah.
Gudul.
Goodle.
Gudul.
Means
Yeah.
that, the China rose or The gudal is the national flower of Malaysia.
Okay.
Malaysian national flower.
Malaysian national flower. Okay. This is bamboo.
Bamboo orchid.
Okay.
Orchid.
Okay.
So the purple color and the white color of flower. This flower is the national flower of Singapore.
This is national flower of Singapore. Oh.
And this is the epiphyte effron.
This is what?
Epiphyte effron.
Tephron.
Effron.
Effron. Okay. Effron.
This is the first plant in the universe.
This was.
Yeah, that's scientifically proved this one.
Okay.
And the God created this time. This is the first plant.
This is the oldest plant on the earth. You mean to say?
In the universe, when you start that one, then this plant is the first plant.
But the first plant was blue-green alga, if we call it
This is
plant.
also, because this is the first plant. Okay, so already we have proved this.
Okay, there is proof. Okay, so what is there anything this way? Okay,
There is also, I think, here also.
okay. This is rice field, a small rice field, a sample of that, and probably this is aloe vera, right, Johnson?
Yeah, that is not aloe vera.
So,
But the one from the aloe vera family.
it is of aloe vera family.
Yeah, that is totally 508 type of aloe vera.
Okay,
But this is the family of aloe vera.
okay. This is the family of aloe vera. That what is that?
Asparagus, Satavari.
Asparagus, huh?
Satavari
Satavari. Okay,
or asparagus.
okay,
That is good for organic problems.
okay, okay.
And this one is mint, pudina.
Okay, yeah. I have seen this. Yeah, I know.
And this one is black pepper.
Black pepper.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's one type of creeper.
This is a creeper. Okay. Golden eye grass. Okay.
Not important, that one.
Right.
And this tulsi medicine for migraine and sinus.
Okay. So I can eat this also.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me test. Johnson, can you do one thing?
Yeah, sure.
Please come here. Yeah, right. So this is Kapoor.
Kapur tulsi, the basil of Kapur.
Okay.
So
Kapoor
the medicine
Tulsi.
very good for migraine and sinus.
Okay. This is Kapoor Tulsi.
This is
Okay, right. Just
Yeah.
I'm taking one of or two leaves, right,
Yeah.
Johnson?
Yeah.
And I'm just sitting, right?
Yes.
So this is good for migraine
Migraine,
and
sinus.
sinus.
But by body you don't use directly. But the oil is, the medicine is very good for that. This is cocoa.
Okay.
See, the yellow fruits,
This is cocoa.
cocoa means chocolates.
Chocolate. Oh,
So
wow.
firstly the color is light green, then
Okay.
become yellow.
Okay.
So in inside there is lot of seeds.
Okay.
That seed become
And
chocolate powder.
yeah, this
or
is
cocoa powder.
this is seeds inside this.
That's it. That's
This is
it.
the dried one, huh?
Yeah.
This is the like green one.
Yeah, then roast it. In that
Okay.
time you can get the chocolate smell.
Okay. All right. Thank you. This is coffee seed. So this is like when it get dried, then we make a powder of it, and then we can use it in our daily coffee. Oh, awesome! So this was one of the things that I saw here, and it was amazing. So Johnson, thank you so much,
Yeah.
right, for taking me through all this.
Yes.
Right, it was beautiful. So we called it Spice Garden in Munnar, right?
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Johnson. This was
Thank you very much.
you who helped me to see so many things, right? And I would love to be with you on camera for some time.
Yes, sir.
Right,
Thank you.
Johnson.
Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Munnar. Goodbye. See you soon.